to this week's session with the Putnam County District Library and the Guiding Ohio Online Grant. This week we are going to take a look at VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player is a free and open source platform. It's cross-platform, and it basically will play many different types of media, and it's available on a desktop or mobile platforms such as Androids, iOS, and iPads. So before we get started, remember that this is supported in whole or part by the Federal Institute of Museum and Library Services funds, and it's granted through the State Library of Ohio. So I have went out and I ended up going to videoland.org. When I go to videoland.org, this is where I have the option to download VLC Media Player and place it on my device. Now I have the drop down here where I can pick what type of device I'm using to do that install. So that's what you're going to see here is the choices of being able to do my install. I am simply installing VLC Media Player. There's other options with some of these here, but we went specifically to videoland.org to get that. So I am now going to go out and I want to grab my video player. I have that actually installed here on my computer. So I am pulling that, I'm going to pull that up here, got it hiding back behind. These are my different files that I'm going to use. I'm going to drag those out of the way for a minute, and I'm going to simply pull up my video media player. When I pull up my video media player, this is what you're going to see. Notice I am logged in here as VLC, and I have this option now to simply drop my media in. So let's drag this over here so we see this. Let's drag this. I have went out and I have simply downloaded some different options of what I'd like to play. Before I do that, I do want to make sure that you see I have here, I've went out to Pixabay where I can get all this royalty-free videos. I can get music and so forth, as well as I went to a site referred to as Mixkit. So any of these places have what are some free downloads that I could use. So that's all I've grabbed for today with some of those. And I'm simply going to take one of these files. I'm going to take this top one, drag it in, and put it into where my media is. And notice now what happens. My media starts to play. And I have here I can stop that. I can rewind. Notice my bar running across the bottom here. I can fast forward, and I can also go out here. This takes me back out to my list, and I can just simply hit stop. When I have this, now notice that my actual location where I was at before to just simply drop in is not there, or it appears like it's not there, but I'm simply going to click on that. I'm going to hit the delete. Again, now I'm back to where I can drop my media in. I'm going to drag another file in. This one, if you notice, is actually an MP3. I'm going to drag and drop that in. When I drag and drop, grab the wrong one. Let's try her again. Let's stop this. We're going to drag and drop the Grand Pix in, which is a MP3, and I'm going to click on that. And now you're going to hear my music, and that's starting to play. Same thing, I'm going to drop. I'm going to simply close that up, stop that file. I'm going to drag another one in. I've got another file here. Putting that in, double click on it, it opens up and starts to play again, my file. That is basically what you're going to see with VLC Media Player, but I do want to do this one more time. I want to show you how I can also go to open a disk. When I go to open a disk, I can actually then, one of the things you don't see much anymore is maybe people using a DVD type of disc, but this is another way that if you have old files, if you have, a lot of people have maybe some family videos, you can use VLC Media Player to open those up on your computer as well. So this, between video files, music files, this is a great option for being able to open up various forms and files that you might have. I hope everyone has a fantastic week, and remember that this is brought to you by the Museum and Library Services Funds and is granted through the State Library.